If you've got the remote version of the Vodafone Automotive 4822, I'm going to run through how to turn off the ultrasonic sensors and the tilt sensors. So I've got the alarm just rigged up on the bench here, but it will replicate what's happening with the vehicle. So we've got the two indicators here and here, alarm LED here, and remote control. So if I arm the alarm, we'll get this in focus. Indicators flash, LED comes on. If you press the lock button a second time, siren beeps once. That turns off the ultrasonic sensors. Another press, 2 beeps is the level sensor turned off. And 3 beeps means you've turned off the ultrasonic sensors and the level sensors. So you still have door, boot, bonnet protection, but you can isolate the sensors for the times when you want to go on the ferry or leave a window open or whatever, and then disarm as per normal. For more details on the Vodafone Automotive 4822, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.